In this powerful and positive video, there's one thing we need to succeed and win big in this YouTube evolution. And here it is. It's to know that right now is a great time for small channels, new channels. YouTube is open now more than ever before to those channels just coming on the scene, or for channels that have restarted, making an impact, bringing quality content to the platform. One of YouTube's main goals is to keep people on the platform for as long as possible. And if you're a small channel or a new channel or a channel that has relaunched and you're bringing people to the platform, learning how to keep viewers watching, learning how to come up with great ideas, YouTube rewards that. So don't get discouraged if you only have a few subscribers. As long as you're able to bring value to the channel, value to the platform of YouTube, you will be rewarded. And what I found from my experience, so many channels just look at maybe a day from now. They look at a month from now. But I'm learning to look at the long-term impact. What can I do long-term? Think about your channel as a resource that's going to be around for a while. That's one thing that has helped me on my journey. I made it in my mind for that first year. I wasn't going to give up. I was going to keep doing the thing even if nobody showed up for that first year. I made it my mind that it's going to be long term. But YouTube is showing a lot of love, rewarding those channels that are small, just getting started, or relaunching with quality videos. And quality is not about your camera, not about your microphone. It's really about the viewer experience. That's what I'm learning about quality. Quality is not about having 4K. 4K vision is all right. And many times we'll record our videos and we'll be thinking, you know, I used the best vision, I used the best camera, I used the best microphone, I used the best lighting. But are we asking ourselves, is that a quality experience for the person watching the video? Quality is never decided by our equipment that we have. Quality is always decided by the viewer's experience. How are they enjoying the content on the other side? And so right now, great time to get started because YouTube is showing a lot of love, being open now more than ever before to newer channels just starting or relaunching their channels, small channels bringing new audiences to the platform. This is a great time to get it started. Now I've got a bonus insight, a next level strategy that I want to share, but first I want to share this with you. If you are enjoying the content on my channel, consider becoming a member. We have a membership that you can join for exclusive content behind the scenes, never seen by anyone else. You can cancel it anytime, enter on any level that you want to enter in on. And if you're a content creator, you could also create your own Buy Me a Coffee membership site as well. So make sure you do that, and that will be a great way for you to be a blessing to the channel. Buy a coffee, take one of my books home with you. Any way you want to do it, there's links in the description for you to do just that. So if you're ready to succeed and win big in this YouTube evolution, let me hear you say, I am. Type it in the comments, I am ready to do this. So this first bonus point that I want to share deals with what we talked about earlier. One channel may do something that another channel may do, and they may not work the same. For example, here at Next Level, I'm taking those opportunities to break a few rules, right? I have 3 pillars of content on my channel. 1, personal development, inspiration, motivation. 2, because I'm a music channel, I love music, I have that on the channel. And 3, sharing my YouTube journey. Videos just like this, things that have worked for me. And another thing, keep in mind, just being yourself, avoiding that burnout, right? Having fun. And another thing to keep in mind, people come through on our channels, we can get discouraged with bad comments. There's ways that we can handle those negative comments and negative feedback. I'll talk more about that in this video right here coming up on the screen. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out right now. Enjoy it. Thanks again for subscribing and always coming back to the channel. You really mean a lot here. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Subscribe to help us get our goal. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up, always stay true. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.